I know you're exhausted, not the kind of tired sleep can fix, the kind that sinks into your bones, the kind that comes from carrying responsibility longer than anyone notices. You've been strong for too long, quietly, consistently, without applause. You wake up every day pretending you're fine, while inside you're negotiating with yourself just to keep going. You did what you were supposed to do. You showed up. You stayed loyal. You worked hard. And still life hit you again, harder, like it knew exactly where you were weakest. And that's what makes it hurt. Not just the struggle, but how personal it feels. Like every setback was aimed at you. Like every delay was designed to break your patience. Like the universe keeps whispering, not yet, not you. People see you functioning, but they don't see the cost. They don't see the nights you lie awake replaying conversations, decisions, regrets. They don't see the mornings where standing up feels heavier than lifting weight. They don't see how many times you swallowed pain just to avoid explaining yourself. The world only respects outcomes, never the sacrifice behind them. And that gap between what you give and what you get back is where exhaustion is born. But listen to me, really listen. The darkness you're in right now is not here to destroy you. It's here to shape you. You're not being buried. You're being positioned. Everyone wants the light, but growth doesn't happen there first. Strength is built in pressure. Character is forged where no one is watching. You feel stuck because progress is silent before it becomes visible. Just like a seed under the soil, no applause, no proof, no reassurance. And yet it still pushes, not because it's confident, but because stopping is not an option. This is the moment most people quit. Not when things are impossible, but when things are unclear, when effort doesn't match reward, when motivation fades, when support disappears. They look at the mountain and turn back, convincing themselves it was never meant to be. But you didn't come this far just to retreat quietly. The pain you feel today isn't proof you're failing. It's proof you're in transition. And transitions are uncomfortable because the old version of you is dying while the new one isn't fully formed yet. That tension you feel, that's growth demanding a decision. You have to wake up one day and decide that your future matters more than your comfort. Excuses sound logical only to the person making them. Blaming your past feels good, but it keeps you trapped there. Blaming people feels justified, but it gives them control. Ownership is heavy, but it's the only thing that sets you free. Because nobody is coming to rescue you. Not your friends, not your circumstances, not time. Time is actually working against you. Every second that passes without action increases the cost of delay. This is where the shift happens. You stop asking, why me, and start asking, what now? You stop waiting to feel ready and start moving while you're scared. You stop needing validation and start building discipline. You realize winning isn't about trophies. It's about who you become when no one is clapping. It's about choosing the hard path when the easy one is tempting. It's about waking up early when the world is quiet and your excuses are loud. That's where champions are made, not in comfort, but in resistance. Your life is ticking forward whether you move or not. Fear will lie to you. Doubt will steal from you. But neither can stop you unless you let them. You are stronger than this moment, but only if you decide to be. This is not the end of your story. This is the part where the weak stop watching, and the strong start becoming. If this hit you, don't ignore it. Subscribe. This channel is for people who refuse to quit quietly. Comment, I'm still here, if you're done surviving and ready to rise. Because this is your time, and no one is coming to save you, except